Morning, YouTube. Just wanted to make a quick video of some stuff going on. Like I said yesterday on this channel, one of the things I plan to do is to share some technical content, some how-tos. I'm a developer. I've been a developer for 20 years. I developed, trading systems and systems that analyze the market and make real-time trades for major Wall Street investment banks my entire career. But on this channel, we're going to be pivoting to AI, right? AI is the hot thing, has been for a year. I'm working in AI in New York City. And what we want to do is slowly pivot to AI or, sort of introduce on Saturday mornings just some content about using AI, developing it, using different tools. Just there's going to be some how to's. So let's get right to it. Did something interesting this morning and wanted to share it. What I've done is I took yesterday's vlog update, okay, uploaded my video to yesterday, felt really good, sort of an unscripted video. I think this is a style that suits me. I know some people on YouTube are speaking from a written down script. Everything's written down. I just don't think that this is something that's going to, work for me. I don't have the time to write everything out ahead of time. I don't have the concentration, frankly. But I feel that with maybe a few notes or just, make a few thoughts ahead of time, write them down on a paper, which actually I've not done for this particular video, but organize your thoughts. And then speak unscripted, I think is going to be my style. Okay. I just think it's something I can do. I can think while I talk. I have some experience doing this at work, right? We've all been on Zoom for the last 3 years. We've been on hours and hours of meetings every day, thinking and speaking while the camera is going. So I just actually feel like all set, all ready to go. Doing this. So listen, what I did yesterday or today is I took my video and click the show transcript option. I got my transcript here of the things that I spoke about yesterday, and I thought that this was not a bad video. I'm not saying we're absolutely nailing it here, but I just sort of felt good with, some of these things that I spoke about, shared a few news points, and then offered some light commentary on AI and what's going on. And so I sort of feel like this transcript of this video is 100% original content, okay? So what I did is I copy and pasted this and I saved it to a text file. Okay, I won't show you the text file on this, but I did a few interesting things. Copy and pasted it into Grammarly. I have a paid subscription to Grammarly. Grammarly didn't do anything. I thought maybe Grammarly does have some AI features in it, but I don't think, if it can do anything with the text, the transcript of this video, to be honest, I'm going to need to get better at Grammarly. So I moved quickly to ChatGPT. Well, of course, everyone is using ChatGPT, OpenAI as a go-to. You can see what I did was I added my document. AI is not finished. Hi, can you take the attached text file and turn it into a well-written article? The title is AI is not finished. Should be interesting, informal, and engaging. Perfect. OpenAI took the article, took the text file, and wrote an article. Is this 4 years? I've been fascinated by the idea of AI automation. Is this my style? Is this absolutely me? Not exactly. I think I asked it to, change the title to the last blog in August and just make it more an article about, what I was doing, a little bit less about AI, and just more about, where I'm at, in New York City. Actually, I was not in New York City when I wrote that due to technical issues, but we talked a little bit about where I was, the technical issues. We got into AI. embracing automation and new opportunities. They're all a little bit too fluffy and whimsical for my take, but not at all unpleased. Not at all unpleased. Okay. I had another idea too, which actually was pretty good, which was to create some tweets out of it. Okay. Now from the article and the content, can we create some tweets? I mean, these are the types of things. So what I'm getting at here is what I want to do is take my original transcript, create different types of content. Okay. So create to create a blog post, create some tweets that I can upload to Twitter, and then even newsletter. Right? I would like to launch a newsletter, and these are the types of things that part of the content. What's the best way to put it? The content platform, right? So, I think the strategy here, something I've read about previously. Or just I've been planning for a long time, and now is the time to do it. One piece of original content straight from the heart. Okay, we're going to use AI to turn that into a blog for my Medium platform, right? We're going to turn it into some tweets, um, for Twitter, which I love, and we're going to turn it into a newsletter article, a newsletter that I can sort of send out to subscribers. No subscribers yet, no subscribers recently. I've got some MailChimp subscribers from years ago. The last time I sort of set this up, or sort of tried to sort of got interested in the idea of making a newsletter, but didn't really have what's the best way to put it, the frequency or the consistency, or it just turned out that waking up each morning and writing a newsletter isn't something that I just was able to add to my regular to-do list or to my regular cadence. But I really think that this YouTube thing, like I say, I feel like I can, suits me, right? When the camera's going, when the screen is shared, I feel like I can share a few thoughts. I've got things that I'm doing, and I can share them on YouTube, and just looking forward to having this start the content generation progress. So as this video rolls, I'm going to try and do one thing. So, I've got a few different links here at the top of my for some different AI tools that I've used. Okay. And one thing I wanted to show was, thought I would show Hype Fury just before I maybe, I wanted to, I got the Chat GPT stuff going ahead of time, but I think what I thought I would do, I give a lot of demos at work. And I think that what I wanted to do was fearlessly, right? The Chat GPT, we ran it ahead of time. The output was not perfect, but what I wanted to do was a little head to head between two AI tools. Okay. I imagined maybe three, but as I'm thinking out loud while I'm talking, I think two is going to be good enough. Let's do a little head to head. ChatGPT ran it ahead of time. Okay. Happy with that. Claude, let's see what Claude can do. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go to the top, right? And I'm going to take, I need to attach the text file. So let's click add content. Okay. And we'll just go to, there it is right on my desktop. Perfect. Add that. Okay. AI is not finished. Perfect. Let's get the exact same prompt that I used for OpenAI. Wonder if we can skip a step. I can take the attached, turn it into a well-written article. The title is, I changed the title, and I sort of preferred the last blog post in August. Yeah, let's see if we can skip a step here with Claude. And just give it a very similar prompt. I'm not a prompt engineer. What do you think about prompt engineering? How, is prompt engineering a real career, right? Some people are prompt engineers? Is this something I need to do? Some people sell prompts online. Has anybody ever bought a prompt? Is this something I really need to buy? Is this really, is this something really, I mean, the whole point is that you're supposed to just do it yourself. Is this something I really need to get help with? Can you change it to a last blog? Make an article more like a blog post. And what I'm really doing that day is writing in New York. Anyway, let's see what we got with this. Okay. I'm going to hit enter. So we go into Claude. Okay. How do I do that? Let's see what Claude can come up with. Let's do it. Certainly, I'll transform the content. Last blog post in August. AI isn't finished, and neither are we. Awesome. New York City dreams and vlogging realities. Picture this, a perfect day. Look, I got too much spam coming into my inbox. Rolls in while I'm speaking. Manifesting our AI power. Now, there we like it, right? Claude has picked up on my manifesting desired reality. Where does this phrase come from? Comes from a YouTuber, Narrow. Love it. Here's the deal. We're not just watching the AI revolution, we're going to be smack in the middle of it. We're talking about understanding the tech, using it for clients, friends, family, heck, even for you, dear reader. This channel, it's your front row seat to the AI show. Interesting. Okay. Let's reply to Claude and let's get some tweets. And we're gonna just do a little head-to-head here. Now, from the article and the content, can you make some tweets of this thing? I'm going to put good. Subscribe to Pro for 5 times the usage. Now, from the article, can you create some good tweets? Try to find 10 tweets that I could put on Twitter. So we got. AI isn't dead. It's just getting started. AI isn't stealing jobs. It's creating new careers we haven't even imagined yet. I said that exactly when I was speaking. As August ends, we're gearing up for an AI-powered autumn. Expect more vlogs, how-tos, and deep dives into the world of AI. Stay tuned. Like it. I really like it. Do I like it? Do I love it? It's not bad. It's not bad. Okay, so what do I plan to do with these tweets? I'm going to show you one last thing here. Okay, so Hype Fury is an automation tool for Twitter. Okay, so just click on the link that I keep to Hype Fury on my toolbar. I'll click it one more time so you can see. Hype Fury allows you to, it's a scheduling tool. Okay, if I sort of go down here, what you can see is individual days coming up next week, September the 4th, September the 5th, Friday. These slots are blank. But with Hype Fury, what I can do is I can schedule tweets. I can click on a particular slot and I can type, happy Friday, we made it. Okay, and I can schedule for Friday at 10 o'clock, right? And the idea is that I can schedule my week of tweets. Some busy people, basically that maybe have a team doing their tweet. Beyonce got a team doing her tweeting for her, or busy people, busy professionals that want to give the sensation or have a lot of content, but want to spread it out over the week instead of maybe just dumping it onto Twitter like a blog post. So that's what Hype Fury is. There's a whole bunch of different features in here, many of which I'm very unfamiliar with, but I'm going to familiarize. as I present Hype Fury as we go through this tool. So, but what I've done, one feature that I'm aware of that I always wanted to use, I'm going to click on Power Ups here in the Hype Fury, upload from CSV. So I've been trying different things to get going. So what I can do is I can drop a CSV and deposit it right here to my Hype Fury and upload it. So actually, let's do it. Let's go to Claude. Let's see if I can't find this. Tweets in CSV format, absolutely. So how can I download this file? Always the screen share is just in the way. I'm going to tweets.csv. How do I click to open? But how can I download this? And I've got all these plugins that are just in the way of my viewpoint. Copy contents. Oh, there we go. Download to file. Okay. Tweets-CSV. So now what I can do is go to Hype Fury. Actually, I can just open a manager. It's opening up on my other screen here. Downloads. Let's see if it's in here. Tweets.csv. I'm just going to drag and drop it right in there. Perfect. Not a CSV file. Going to just rename it. It's got tweets.csv.text. And that is managed to confuse Hype Fury. That's okay. We're going to help it out. Now we got it named tweets CSV. On it goes. 11 tweets found. I'm going to upload. An error occurred while uploading the CSV file. Come on, man. We're going to just do this one last time and make sure we got a... That's Twitter stuff. This is a CSV, okay? This is going to do this. We're going to pull this off. Tweets Claude.csv. There we go. I really think this is going to work this time. One more time. We're going to click upload here. "11 tweets found." Upload. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. CSV is successfully processed. Now what we can do is we should be able to go to our dashboard. Dashboard? Just want to go to the home of Hype Fury. I'm going to click on this. Okay, we got 19 in the queue. So we actually loaded the 10 from ChatGPT, did that earlier, took the Claude tweets and just uploaded them as well. So these ones came, just like video games created an industry from nothing, AI will spark new careers we can't even imagine yet. Exciting times ahead. AI, careers, innovation. I'll tell you one thing about these AI tools is that, I said that on yesterday's vlog, right? But at the same time, that's my own content, right? Those are my own words. But, it takes a little bit extra push sometimes just to make a tweet out of it, right? Would it absolutely be natural to me to, this we don't want to tweet. It's just saying tweet. That's okay. Yes, delete this post. So now we got all my tweets scheduled all the way to Wednesday. Vlogging session lesson number 1. It's not just hitting record. The devil's in the details, but the learning curve is worth it! ! I absolutely love it. Why not? Let's load this to Twitter. Let's load this to Twitter. Let's see if we get any engagement. This is my own original content. When I made that YouTube video, it came from the heart. I had a few written notes, okay? But ultimately, I spoke. And now it's turned into tweets all the way through Wednesday. I think this is what we want. We're going to upload the personal thoughts, the live, realistic content to YouTube. We're going to use ChatGPT and Claude to turn it into blog posts, to turn it into tweets, to turn it into newsletter. So, Medium, okay, absolutely. What I've done here is I went to Claude, okay, I went to my article, which I believe is top 10 tweets last. Yeah, we got the published article, okay. So this is the article version for Claude. As I said previously, I think this is a little better than ChatGPT. It's got my manifesting reality statement. It ends nicely with what's next. So all I did was copy paste this, pop it into Medium, okay, saved as a draft for now. It's not published. I've got all weekend, right? So this is how the Saturday solopreneuring is going to work. I'm going to upload the vlogs during the week and record my honest thoughts. Then I'm going to stage my tweets on the weekend and stage my Medium article. And I've got, today to tweak this. New York City dreams, isn't the type of thing that I would, it's a little too cushy for me, right? But I can tweak this, just make sure it's 100% personal. It's what I wanted to say. It's in my own words. I've got the time to put into this that I want to put into it. And then the last step is going to be the Beehive. So Beehive is a newsletter. At this stage, I've not sent out a single newsletter. I signed up for Beehive a year ago, but is it in my nature to wake up every Saturday morning and start from scratch typing up a newsletter? That's impossible. I'd be too tired. I'd just be too, it's just not in my Saturday routine. But I think what's so exciting about this is I sort of see this as something that we can automate together, right? I've been thinking all day about, we're going to upload these YouTube videos to YouTube, then we're going to extract the transcript automatically push that to ChatGPT, automatically push to the platforms, Hypefury, Medium, Beehive, ConvertKit, and we get a little bit of a content funnel going, a content automation platform going, is what I meant to say. So that's it. I've been very excited since this ain't rocket science, right? At this stage, no coding required. Okay, I don't want to scare everybody off by having some code going on this YouTube channel, but at the same time, let's start slow, right? Let's just start with no code. Let's just start with a bit of copy paste, export the list, create the CSV, get this going through, right? Let's see if we can get some engagement. Does anybody care? What do the followers think? We've got 220 Twitter followers. Let's see if, some of those are bots, unfortunately. Let's just see if a bit of consistency and a bit of push let's see what happens. That's all I can say. Let's see what happens. I'm going to post a few links below. Okay. I'll post a link to my Twitter. I'll post a link to my Medium. Of course, there's going to be a link to subscribe to the newsletter. Okay. Absolutely grateful. Everyone says like and subscribe. But I'm sort of doing this for clicks on some of these platforms I'd worked on previously and wasn't getting huge engagement on. Okay. Twitter, Medium, newsletter. All you have to do is click. At the same time, I'll also put an affiliate link for Hypefury. If you want to give it a try, if you want to automate your Twitter, right? If you're a busy person and you want to set up a whole week's worth of tweets on the weekend and then let that roll while you head to New York, while you head into your place of business and your mind's on other things, then give it a try and click my affiliate link. That's it, followers. I will catch you later.